Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer thermal fuse. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new thermal fuse. The thermal fuse is a safety device that shuts off the heat if the dryer overheats. The mainer should be changing it out so it's failed and the dryer is not heating. In order to change the part, we have to take the dryer apart. First thing we're going to do is take out the lower screws with a Phillips screwdriver so we can remove the front panel. Now we can take the front panel off. We just have to lift it up a little bit so the clips come out of the top and it drops down. Once you have it free, you can set it back down, and then we're going to carefully swing it out of the way. There's enough wire here so you can just swing it around and lay it across the side of the cabinet. The thermal fuse is located on the left-hand side of the blower housing, right below the lint screen housing. We're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to reach in and take out the screws. Once you have the screws out, we're just going to carefully pull it out by the wires. And then we can use a small flathead screwdriver to take the wires off. It's just a fuse, so the wires are the same color. Doesn't matter which side they go on. Once you have the wires off, you can pull it off the dryer. Here's the old thermal fuse next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new thermal fuse in, we're just going to grab the wires and push them on. Make sure they go on, you get a good connection. Once you have them on, we're going to push it back in underneath the lint screen housing. And just get it close. And we're going to take the 1/4-inch nut driver with the screw on it already and feed it in here and line it up. Once you have it lined up, you can tighten it down. Now that we have it installed, we can put the dryer back together. To put it back on, we're just going to swing it back around into place. And then you want to make sure that the little tabs right here line up with the cutouts in the top. Then we're going to put it in like we took it off. We're going to put it at a little bit of an angle. Make sure the clips go in and it doesn't drop down. Once you have it in place, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the dryer put back together, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.